One of my students today asked me, what do these symbols mean? What does it mean to times and what does it mean to divide? Well, let's have a quick look at two of them. First of all, this symbol here means to times. It also means to multiply. This symbol here is the division symbol. It means to divide. I'll have a quick look at this video on what it actually means to say when we times or we multiply or when we divide. Okay, some students may have seen times tables before, some may be practicing them, but what do they actually mean? This here says 3 times 3. The symbol times means groups of. Okay, so instead, if I change that number sentence and I said, okay, that will be 3 groups of 3 equals. Writing it like this means exactly the same as 3 times 3 equals 3 groups of 3. Okay, so let's make 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 groups. 3 groups of 3, which means I need 3 in each group. There's 3 in that group, 3 in this group, and 3 in this group. I have 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, and 3 groups of 3. So 3 groups of 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 groups of 3 equals 9. We can also say that as 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's look at this one. 4 times 2 equals. We can write that as 4 groups of 2 equals. So the first thing we do, let's make 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups. How many do I need to put in each group? 4 groups of 2. So let's put 2 in each group. Four groups of 2, or 4 times 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the symbol times or multiply means groups of. Let's have a look at the other symbol now. This is the division symbol. This one here says 16 divided by 4 equals. We can also write that as 16 put into 4 groups, oops, equals how many in each group? Okay, so we need 4 groups. 1, 2, 3. We have 4 groups. How many do we need to sort? We need to put 16 into 4 groups. 1 for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 put into 4 groups equals how many in each group? 4. Let's look at the next one down here. 9 divided by 3. We can write that as 9 put into or shared into 3 groups equals how many in each group? Okay, 9 put into 3 groups equals how many in each group? So I need to make 3 groups to start off with. 1, 2, 3. And I need to put 9 into 3 groups. So I've got 1 for you, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many is in each group? 3. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Or 9 put into 3 groups equals 3 in each group.